Why should expats choose Philippines over Thailand? Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single
How long have you been single?
ever since.
Oh, and you're 27 years old now? Hi, I'm Lorie and welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, why should expats choose Philippines over Thailand for vacation or retirement? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's your name and age?
I'm Jo, 27.
Jo. That's a very cute name, Jo. Easy to ask. What do you call this? Like call or remember. Anyway, Jo, how are you today?
I'm good.
You're good.
Yeah.
Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single
How long have you been single?
ever since.
Oh, and you're 27 years old now? Wow. May we know what's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Beautiful. Teaching high school?
School.
What subject?
English?
So you're an English teacher.
Yes, I teach English.
I'm so lucky today. Anyway, Joe, here's the question. Why should expats choose Philippines over Thailand, let's say for retirement or vacation?
I think I'll focus more on the advantage of the Filipino people because first they are used to diversity. Our culture is so diverse, and I think we're so open with diverse culture, and we're so, as usual, we're so welcoming. And I think that's one of the advantages of Filipino people to other countries. Since we are so interested with other cultures, so we are also open to learning their languages, especially English, which is already our second language. So when it comes to communication, Filipinos can converse with foreigners.
What's your name?
Ken.
Ken. Very interesting name, Ken. How are you today, Ken?
Good as usual.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Maybe it's been a year.
Year. Okay. Anyway, Ken, here is the question. Why should expats choose Philippines over Thailand? Let's say for vacation or retirement.
I think it's more on compatible here in the Philippines because Philippines is more um
Philippines all what?
they give foreign like more on work and compatible work and so much fun in here in the Philippines and more on adventure and anything you can do in the Philippines.
Um what do you mean by Philippine offer works for them?
Like they can do job like establishment here and do business like selling or anything that can be be business here in the Philippines.
What's your name and age po?
Marie Grace Bicopar, 27 years old.
27. The way you said it is like you're a Miss Universe. Like I'm asking her. Like, what's your name and age?
Alexis Joy A. and you're 24 years old.
Wow, Alexis, that's a very beautiful name. Are you single? Just curious.
Yes,
How long have you been single?
4 years now.
Wow. And are you looking for like a serious relationship?
As of the moment, no.
Okay.
No.
Are you working?
Yes, we're both teachers.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Teaching senior high school and junior high school. Same
Same.
What subject?
Physical education
Asian.
and arts.
Music and art.
Mapping.
Why should expats choose the Philippines over Thailand? Let's say for retirement or vacation. Let's start with you, ma'am.
Maybe we all know that Thailand, given that they have beaches, beautiful beaches, and we all know that they're the people in Thailand are generous also. The same with the people in Philippines. But of course, we are Filipino, so we will be giving ideas about our country. So, for example, our food here is really delicious. So we have a lots of different types of food na other people in other country, they go here to experience it. Like, for example, we have the balot. So, adobo that you can seen in the Philippines. So, you can seen it in other country.
How about you, ma'am Alexis?
First,
Sorry.
Philippines is more English. Ano po, they speak better English than Thailand. So it's better to come here to the Philippines because other than the language, ano po, we can talk better than them. And we have a lot of beaches here in the Philippines. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. People are more hospitable and it's not hard to speak or to talk or to communicate to Filipinos. They're more approachable. What else?
At the same time, the cost of living here is really low.
Really low compared to Thailand. But
Yeah.
for I think for If we're-
1.60,
Mhm.
I'm not mistaken.
if we're going to talk about job opportunities, I think Thailand is better. But for the tradition, for the culture, for the tourist destinations, I think Philippines is better.
I'm just curious. You're so pretty. Like, are you picky or
What
picky?
What do you mean?
Like what are you looking for a man?
First, he should have a job. I don't want to babysit anymore. And other than he has a job, I'm not picky when it comes to the looks, just the job. And he can stand on his own. I don't want what do you call this? A mama's boy anymore. From past experiences, I don't want it anymore. So yeah. Job. Just job. That's it.
Okay, mom is happily
Married in 5 years. I have 2 children, 2 boys.
What's your name po and age?
Mitch. I'm 42 years old.
Why expats should choose Philippines over Thailand? Like, let's say for vacation or for retirement.
Philippines because Philippines is beautiful
And
and many tourist destination. And wala na po.
that's it. She's shy, but she said that Philippines is beautiful and it has so many tourist destinations, right? What's your name and age?
I'm Det. I'm 20 years old.
That, and how are you today?
I'm fine and I'm quite nervous since we're going to have our job interview for a part-time.
Wow, you're very industrious. You're welcome. Anyway, Dad, why should expats choose Philippines over Thailand for, let's say, vacation or retirement?
In my opinion, why should foreigners choose Philippines over Thailand? Because we are all aware that Filipinos are known for being hospitable and they are welcoming foreigners very warmly, and also they don't hesitate to give their best service to the foreigners that are visiting our country.
What's your name and age?
Diane, and I'm 20 years old.
Okay. Diane, why should expats choose Philippines over Thailand for vacation or retirement?
Because Philippines is so more tourist attraction, more beautiful view. People are so kind and so beautiful also.
So Filipinos are beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, well anyway, thank you so much, Diane. Salamat.
Thank you.